Hi guys, I got cut off on the last one. I guess I went a little bit long with those cold and stationary fronts. This is the last bit of it, the jet stream. So, like I was telling you, I've already talked to you guys about high and low pressure and cold fronts, warm fronts, stationary fronts. But the jet stream, that is what is going to tell us how these air masses are all going to be moving. Okay, so the jet stream is really just a river of air. Okay, up in the atmosphere. You can see on this picture, there are these like gray arrows, right? And it's coming up, northern United States, and then it dips down south and then back up and out. That is a representation of the jet stream. Okay, a river of air that is, again, up in the atmosphere. Now, this river of air can change and it can dip, climb higher or, the motion of it, right? It goes up higher, it can dip lower, that kind of thing. And so this rise and fall here, that can change. And that, of course, is going to affect how the different air masses over us are going to move. Just like whenever you are standing in front of a river, right? If it is going fast, right, and it's got currents, you're not going to be able to cross that river. This river of air, these air masses cannot cross, okay? If you look over here at this warm section in the western United States, it cannot cross that jet stream and continue going north. What's going to happen is this warm air is going to follow the jet stream, and you can see the jet stream goes from California to New York, so from west to east, and it is actually going to dip down into Texas, come right over here by Louisiana and the Gulf, hit Florida, and come back up and then out. So it's going to follow this path and it cannot cross it. Okay, if you look at the cold air, this cold air that's coming from the north is never going to make it to the south because it cannot cross that jet stream. Okay, so what's going to happen is this cold air is going to move along with it and just kind of go up towards the northeast back in Canada and then out. Okay, it's just going to just climb up with that jet stream and just make it outside of the continent. Okay, so again, the jet stream is just what is making these move and where they are going. There are two main ones. I didn't put it on here, but it is in the notes that I snipped in the lessons folder. That's where all these videos are. The presentation is, and a clip of all of my notes. It's all in there. But in there, I do say that there are two main ones that we concern ourselves about. And that is going to be the polar jet stream, right? That's the north one, and a subtropical jet stream. We live in the subtropics, right? And so those are the two that we're really concerned about in the United States. Okay. After you view these videos, if you have any questions, you can always email me or, remind me, like text remind, and just let me know if you have any questions. Okay. Thanks.